Respected District Minister, dear Secretary Justin, office bearers and members of the committee, DC members, and all who presented here. Very warm welcome and good evening to every one of you. Today I am much happy to be with you for sharing some information. And when I discussed with the pastor and he is willing to conduct this program today, and then I decided a topic that is an important topic, that is planning. Planning, everyone knows, it is deciding in advance what to do in future. We are planning, all are planning. Children are planning, students are planning, then college students, then professionals, parents are planning, all are planning. Knowingly, unknowingly, we are planning. Even animals are planning, and the plants are also planning. Plants are planning to give good vegetables or fruits. Animals are planning for their own existence, survival, food, shelter and all. But human being plan somewhat more. Accordingly, we can classify it into three heads. One is short-term planning, another one is medium-term planning, and last one is long-term planning. Short-term planning is planning for 1 year. Maybe what I told is planning for the today, and within 1 year what we have to do in future in an organized manner. Some are doing, some are not doing, but doing is best. And medium-term plan means 1 year, between 1 year to 5 years. Long-term planning means what we should do after 5 years, or after 10 years, after 20 years, or after 30 years, or even 50, after 50 years, or in the old age what we should do. Whether we should be happy at that time. For that, what we should do, we should think of that. I may teach you, but I may not plan. And in this respect, that produces and that making them a good man or bad man. The plans make one individual, whether he is good or bad in the future, and how he is placed in the future. That is based on the subject matter of the plan. The subject matter of the planning may be good thing or bad thing. Some may plan for good and some may plan for bad. And that majority may plan for good only, I think. And plan means how we should be in future for getting the job and all. Accordingly, they will be thinking that. But some may be thinking that what film I should see in the next day, what place I have to visit after 1 month, and after 2 months what I should do, which film I should, I saw in future, what bad company I should get. Like that they will be planning. And I have the experience that in the childhood itself, that parents are molding the individuals to become a good citizen, plan in a well manner, that is put in their mind good values and good things, so that they will become planning in good things. Subject matter may be good things. And what are the subject matter? I think I may ask questions to the participants here. You have to answer. If you are answering correct, there is some gift I am going to give for you. Okay, not now, that committee will arrange. So be very attentive, because they are all English medium. Coming from English medium, they have to attend. Okay, and about the bad planning, how it is. My own experience I can tell. That is when I am in the childhood, that if I talk any filthy languages, bad languages, my mother will be taking control of that. I will tell that in details. Before that, once I visited a place, and there some students and some relatives are there, and I inquired about that. What is X? What is he? How is he? I asked. But he is a good boy. But sometimes he will talk in English. Oh, very good. English, talking English, very nice. Then I asked, what about him? No, he will be little bit more. If he talk 10 English words, he will talk 100 English words. Then I thought, oh, he is better. Very good. Then I thought I asked another, what is he? So only English words are coming from his mouth, he told. And I think, how it happened? Because in the olden days at that time, there is no English medium classes. How he learned it is matter to be appreciated. Then they told, here we means, English means, that is filthy language. That is, Tamil அன்னைக்கு சொல்லும்போது எப்படின்னா தானக்கடன்னு சொல்லுவான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அப்படிதானே? தானக்கடு. அதை வந்து இங்கிலீஷில், ஓ இங்கிலீஷ் பையன் நல்ல இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுகிறான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்போ வந்து என்ன செய்வாங்கன்னா, some parents will to control of that. And some will be encouraging, laughing by hearing that and giving more encouragement. In my own experience, I also happened to talk the filthy words in the olden days, in my school time, because the environment is like that. I am not able to, hear chance of hearing good English, good words. All English words like that only is floating from the morning to evening. Particularly in the evening means the filthy words are long. Thereby I am also motivated. Among all my brothers and sisters, I only used to get all the things. And whenever I am getting angry, I used to talk in that English only. And mother will be coming and cut some green chili and scratch it on my mouth. Every time she won't allow. But I thought that I will be challenging her. I should definitely talk, whatever it may be. And I thought that I can run. But even then I am not able to stop. I thought that I can run by telling this English word, that is filthy word, whenever I am getting angry. And she also started running behind me. So I used the filthy words and she is running and catching me. No time she left me. Scratching the hot green chili. Thereby, I am not in a position to talk even a single word now. Even 10,000 rupees given for one word, I will not be able to talk such kind of words. Like that parents, elders are molding the students and their teachers are molding and the environment is making and the relatives are making and the parents are making, instead of laughing, making a better citizen. And they will be in IAS collector. Otherwise, they will be in the platform. Bad, matter. They will be like that only. So that is a matter to be taken as a serious concern. And I think I have also experienced with other people about how that elders are molding that youngsters child in the childhood. Childhood, something is put in the mind only, it will be flourishing in the future. I know that some ladies are not taking sweet at the pregnancy time. Then that children will not eat sweets. That I know that. And like that only. And one example I can tell, that once, some 5 years back, one girl is engaged with one boy who is advocate. And the girl might, I think, studied PG. And engaged, after the engagement, now there is chance of talking in between them through the cell phone. Then in conversation, that boy told that நான் எப்போது கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி அடிப்பேன், அவ்வளோதான் என்னோட பெட்டை கேர். மற்றபடி நான் நல்லவன் தான். I am a good man, but sometimes only I am taking some drinks, he told to the lady, to the girl. The girl is much irritated and become much worried and told that finally to her parents that in whatever may be, if marriage is not taking place, also I marry him. Though he is a rich man and though the lady has not got married till 30 years, at the age of 30 only, that decision that particular girl is taking. Just think of. Now she got married to a better place. See, the qualities imbibed with her due to the parents. That environment she is very much adamant. But in case of others, what might have happened? Some girls may think that if husband is drinking, then it is okay, very good, very nice. We can also drink with him, together with him. We can also think like that they will be taken into that maybe. Majority of them. Okay, then we have to make lot of strain in making the plan. Plan means making plan and acting accordingly and thereby reaching and achieving the goal. After the students means in the college level, placed in the medical college or in the good engineering college or in good arts and science college. Thereby there also they are making planning and they will be getting a better position. Job, IAS officer, IFS officer, or maybe some other good job they will be getting. That is the importance of planning of individuals. Thereby, that in the case of the planning process, I think this much effort one has to take. Work and work hard and get a clear direction of planning, that is more important. We should know which area we should plan. And how to work. So much hardness are there. But God is telling one shortcut method, that is in the, Proverb 16:3. Proverb 16:3, you find that commit whatever you do to the Lord and He will establish your plans. Your plans. So how birds are framed, to just think of that in the olden days before the Jesus Christ. So commit yourself. Whatever work you are doing, commit it to the that it is being done only for the direction of the benefit of the Lord, only through the direction of the Lord, and feel the presence of the Lord. Then He will show, put into your mind the planning. That is a shortcut method. You will not make which plan to be done, that whether that plan is good, which one is good, or like that you will not do. Oh, this one is well presented by, Jesus. That the commitment to the Lord, commitment to the Lord will bring you the good planning stated in the proverb written by Solomon. So all proverbs are good. Particularly this chapter 16 is very good, and each verses is meant for 1 hour teaching, 1 hour explanation. That much is there. Since the pastor is inviting me only, I happen to learn that. You may be knowing better than me. Okay, this is well represented. Just now morning only I thought of God, because the one dialogue come in my mind that where it is, from your heart ஜீவ நதிகள் புறப்படும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. அது எந்த டைலாக்னு எனக்கு தெரியல, பாஸ்டர் தெரியலாம். அப்போ அதை சர்ச் பண்ணும்போது I find that something is there in the John chapter 15. You read the John chapter 15, you will find how Jesus explained everything. If you are with me and I am with you, You will do lot of wonders. But this is not a common, easy thing. So after long years only, now only I am able to felt something of that. Read all that 15. So many examples have been written in that. Then about the planning in the planning process, what Bible has been stated, I wish to explain that. That means in the chapter of Luke, 14, 28 to 31, good examples have been mentioned. Two examples God has given. That one example is about the planning. You should plan is stating in an indirect manner. Everyone should plan is stated very indirectly from the verses 28 to 30. He is telling that when one is going to construct a house, will he has not to think that the money is sufficient for him to complete the work. Otherwise, the work will be stopped and people will be laughed at him. Work will be in the progress, in the off stage. Money will be completely over. So he is planning. He is giving the example. He is not telling that you should plan like that. His words should be understood by long hours only. Not 1 hour or 2 hours or 1 day or 2 days. You could get the idea of that. Particularly, I can compare this particular. Last stated about the proverb and that this 15, John 15. There is matter of research. It is a matter of more research, long research. That words are like that. You compare that in olden days before Jesus, is giving his words some 1,000 years back. That Solomon stated like that. Here the Lord is stating, that is what I am telling. They may directly tell, but Jesus is telling indirectly. And the subject matter to be understood for long, hours or long days or long years. And that example is that as I told is that people are planning to construct a house. Some may think that in the society we should be more. We should be at a higher place. Everyone should appreciate us. Thereby, out of their capacity, they will be spending and constructing huge buildings. Later, trapped into debt. There won't be any happiness. But some are well planning that I am having 15 lakh rupees. I should construct within 15 lakhs. It is better to complete this by 14 lakhs. If he completed it by 14 lakhs, it will be giving him more happiness. All are expecting happiness. But I find here there is no happiness in all the faces of many of the participants. The reason is that, I will come to the end, there at the proverb, 16:8 you read. Okay. Note it, I will put in YouTube. This matter. Anyway, when you just notice this John 15 and that's particular, don't read and read again and again this, Proverb 16. Particularly 8 will be producing happiness to you. If you really understood, then it will produce happiness to you. All will be happy. You will be satisfied whatever things you are doing. Because lot of information, you are embedded with a lot of information. Though you are economically weak, or though you are possessing less money, or less property, that doesn't matter. Within the limit, you should make it happy. You should produce happiness, make others happiness. I can tell one example. Whenever during my, I'm teaching in the BCom, one student is coming always with the happiness, that happiness is flowing out of his, and sadness he will remove for anybody through his facial expression. Like that and coming with different bikes daily. He's from nearby, I think, place, Seripallur side. And I am impressed by it because I am always feeling sad. And I find it difficult to get relieved from the sadness. And I thought, why he is doing, behaving, I am impressed much. You see, that is how impression I got. Really, I am speaking. And I find that I once encountered, once he came late, coming with the big bike, costing of 2 lakh rupees, but he might have bought it in second hand for 30,000 or 40,000 rupees. Once he was late, and I will not hatred with the students. Normally. And I asked you why you are late. Where are you from coming? I told that I am coming from this place. But you are late, I told. Sorry, today I am late because I have to tape my plantation, rubber plants. Oh, now I realize what he is having a lot of property. Thereby he is getting happiness. And I asked him how much land you possessed, and he told only 90 cents. See, 90 cents produced more happiness. Whereas one student of my first batch, I met him, he is very sad. And with the sad face only, he is always. And I asked him, how is you, how are your work? And I said, I am working in school. I said, see, just to think that college, school salary is getting government school salary, and how much you possess land? He's telling, sir, only 9 acres. Only 9 acres is with the very sad expression he is telling. One is telling that, oh, sir, I am having 90 cents. But I have another one is saying, I am having only 9 acres. That is also one within the limits. You say, read that particular verse, you will be giving it. So this one will not be satisfied with the material things, how much they are possessing. He is not having the wiseness. Good feelings, good values. One will never get satisfaction. That, Solomon is telling like that. And one who is possessing very little, he will be much satisfied. But I do not know whether here you are having small or large, all are not happy. Reason I do not know. Okay. So some small large also should be, happiness should be there. So a large property also produce happiness. That is an example. You should plan. He telling, you should plan. Indirectly telling about the one who is going to construct the building. Another example I can tell about that. Another example given in the particular last one, 30. That particular verse that read by here, 14, 30. There it is stated, in one paragraph is very clearly stated. If one is just to think that very interesting, that is interesting for me only, or at least not. That one is going for, a king is going for a war. King may be known through their war and catching of the kingdoms. If he caught more kingdom, Akbar, Babur, then Shivaji, and all. Alexander conquered the entire world. Alexander the Great. Then another king, Napoleon, will be known only through their conquering land. Now, in olden days, what happened means, the king will be trying to capture the land of others and want to establish their kingdom. So from smallness to great, by getting satisfaction with the smallness and going for the long catchment. And for that, if one, he is correctly telling that if one king is coming to fight with him with 20,000 soldiers, will not he think that whether I should fight with him with the 10,000 soldiers? Yes, I am having. He doesn't tell about the planning. Nature of planning, he doesn't tell about that. Just telling that, will he not think? He will also think that 10,000 soldiers வச்சுட்டு 20,000 அட்டாக் பண்ண முடியுமா? முடியாது. ஆனால் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து ஒன்று சொல்லலாம். நெப்போலியன் லைஃப்பில் ஒன்று நடந்து. நெப்போலியன் தமிழ்லன்னு சொல்லி in Napoleon life, what happened means, when Napoleon is went for war, Napoleon is not ancestors are not king, whereas the Alexander the Great is Alexander. Nobody tell him as Alexander. Alexander the Great only. Greek. He is also Greek, I think. I mean, Napoleon's father is working in the army. And he, after seeing that, visiting his father, he felt that my father is working under some king. And that feeling is, I should also join with that army. Like that, he is joined and become king. And he once visited with the 10,000 soldiers. I would coincide, you just to see that. Now only it is stated in Bible, I know, but I know about this later, earlier, about Napoleon story. When Napoleon is going for a war, and all the soldiers and the head of the soldiers are telling that, my Lord, our Lord, it is not possible for to fight with them because they are 20,000, but we are just 10,000. What Napoleon told is, anybody knows? What Napoleon told is, you are 10,000. You are 10,000 plus myself 10,000, count it. Move. Just, that is a command he has given. Then they moved with the courage, lot of courage, they moved and fight and win that war. Okay, this is the example, reminded me. And in this juncture, what I have to do, tell that as an advice for everyone is, have a well planning for your future. Don't worry, you don't compare with others. If I am comparing with others means, I will not be happy. If I may have 1 acre, if I am comparing with 5 acres, people with 5 acres, I will never attain happiness. You will be satisfied with that 1 acre. I know one family, all are happy. All are with the happy mood. And I find that why they are happy means, just for taking a tea, oh, that has satisfaction. So God has given maybe some kind of feeling like that. They thought that after consuming the tea, they will be happy. Oh, one tea I got today. Then with small meals, after consuming this, getting satisfaction. Thereby that produces always their face are happy. Even then he happened to sell his properties for the benefit of his relative. Till the end I could find only smiling, happy faces. Like that you should also be. Don't compare with the others. Okay. Then by this I think I can finish it. And I may ask one question about somebody else here to answer from about boys below, 10 in this standard, or girls below 10th standard. I will finish it in 5 minutes. Yeah, what are your planning? The girl side or boy side, come forward, someone. You are all bold babies. Someone will come forward and answer, what is the planning you are having in your mind? Anyone? Future la enna aganonu nenachittu irundha mind la irukonu nenakkude yaravadu irundha vaanga. And so not so much crowd, otherwise some may stand, I feel. Yaravadu varadu, at least one. Even the college students, anyone of college student may answer. Okay, they are having planning, I think, for their better. These are all very child, small babies, I think, maybe below 7-10 years. If it is between 10 to 15 years, they might have answered. And I put for some question. So I told you good and bad. Planning produces good people and bad people. In Bible, can you identify some good people or some bad people and mixed with the good and bad people? Those who are answering will be given 500 rupees. Definitely it will be good. Even one who is learning Bible now can able to study it today. But you may study future. But I thought you might. And from this side also you can tell. One good man in the Old Testament, in New Testament you can identify many. Old Testament, one good man, we could not identify any mistake on. Yarum theriyala. Appo very surprise for me. இந்த சைடு யாராவது இவங்களும் சொல்லலாம், நீ யாராவது சொல்லலாம், தெரியல. இப்போ நீ தான் படிக்கணும், யோசிக்கணும். ஏன்னா எனக்கு வந்து why I studied means because I have studied this particular reference. I want to know this, what is good people and bad people, that you could not identify any mistakes on the part of Isaac. Then Joseph is the man caught to the Egypt, isn't it? Joseph then? Joseph then, sir. We could not identify any badness on Joseph. Then Isaac, you could not, Abraham also, you could not find identify any mistake, because he will be doing whatever his wife is telling. That guy, a good man. Bad man means mixed with the bad and good. And separated a lot means David. David is a very great warrior, but he committed mistake. And later he felt for long years for his commitment mistake. That realized, but somehow realized. Okay. Then Solomon is also like that, mixed with good and bad. So Solomon is like that only, because he never allowed to take the kingdom of others, his elders, and indirectly he did something. But these people never did like that. And good and bad, I can sell. Bad people purely I could not still able to identify. But now you try to identify. Once again, I will be finishing it. Once again, my advice is, next time when I am coming, at least 50% would be happy, and I would see happiness in your face. I have told material things won't make happy. So study this. This only definitely making you happy. That particular, that Proverb 16 and 16, the whole chapter, and but only this one, 15, or then that John chapter 15. Okay, thank you very much for the long patience of hearing, because I know that you are here for some with the different programs, some 3 or 4 hours back. So anyway, I'm happy being here, and thank you for all for inviting me. Thank you.